Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to all of you. Uh, Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving such a great opportunity about say my myself. Okay. This is Hassan Muhammad Shahriar. You guys call me Shohan. Basically, I'm from Feni district. Now I'm living at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. Basically, I'm a student. Recently, I have completed my diploma graduation, Department of Electrical from Kumilla Polytechnic Institute. Now I'm doing Basic Plus IELTS course at English Fantasy. I'm a sport lover. I like to play cricket. My favorite player is Abe de Villiers. You know, Abe de Villiers is 360-degree player. And also, I love write poem because it makes me self-motivated. In my free time, I like to spend it with my family because family is my first priority. If I get a long vacation, I like to traveling with my friend because I can share everything. I dislike smoking. You know, smoking is bad habit. I dislike backbiting, and also I dislike wasting of money, wasting of time. In my future plan is to go abroad for higher education. And next goal is to get a good result in IELTS. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening me patiently. Okay. Assalamu alaikum everyone.